Welcome to tutorial. Today in this video I am show you how I complete 1000 follower on my Medium profile. In just 2 months I get 1000 follower. Just follow this trick and apply this trick on your own profile and get a good amount of followers on your Medium profile. You are writing too much. You are writing content on Medium and you are not getting any follower and any reach on your Medium article. So here you can see I get 1k follower in just 2 months. So here you can see I just write 7 article. Here you can see 550 claps, 21 claps and 154 claps, and that's too much on a new profile in getting just 60 days. So I am not working on this profile too much, but so if you work daily basis then you will get a better result. So here you can see my biggest 479 clap. That's too much. I write this article in August, almost in September, in just September and October. This month is October. In just 60 days I got a good results, and so this trick is worth too much. So I know when you creating a new profile, joining a different publication, and there is no chance to get publish your article on publication, because big publication not publication publish your article. Here you can see I follow 1.60k following and 1k followers. So I am follow 8000 people daily. On daily basis I follow 150 people, because Medium publication Medium rule is 150 follower on daily. You can follow daily basis. So if you repeat this you just follow 150 people daily, and in return you will get maybe 10, 20 or 30, and maybe got 40 people follow back. It depends on your how you implement this trick. So this is not any policy violation of on Medium, so you can follow this. So here you can see 5.1k follower. This profile is good. You can copy this man follower and just follow this person follower, and you will get some good amount of follower for your profile. So here you can see 5.1k follower for. So here you just follow this person, this person's. So you can follow up to 150 person on daily basis. Just follow this and you will get a follow back. Maybe they will read, if they like your profile, maybe they will read your content. So I know you are struggling on Medium, joining a different publication. They are not publishing your article. Some of publish your article, but the publication is not big. But big publication not publishing your article, they have lot of article in submitted draft. So just follow this method and reach your profile too much person. Once your profile reach on Medium, then Medium will they'll grow your profile and your content. This trick is too much good. Just follow this trick. This is not my personal profile, this is my brand profile. I am getting 501,000 read on daily basis on my different profile. So this is not my personal profile. Just follow this trick. I am following this trick from 5 months, but this trick on this profile I follow this just 2 months. So I am not working on a daily basis, so that's why I am not getting good result. And 260 days I just write 7 article and I got a good amount of result. So just follow this trick. So I will in next tutorial I will guide you how to grow your publication. if you create a new publication, and it's so difficult to grow your own publication on Medium. So I will guide you in the next video. If you want the how to grow publication on Medium, then let me know. I will make a video on this. So I will guide you how to grow your publication on Medium. Just so it's not mean just follow everyone. So how to implement this trick? So if you know some any YouTuber Medium profile, just open their Medium profile, because they have a active and good amount of follower, because they have a target followers. And also if your niche is different like entertainment, tech, then just follow. If your niche is tech, then open tech person profile and follow their followers, and you will get a good amount of follower, and your follower is also active. If you misuse this trick, for example your niche is entertainment and you follow tech related person, then this trick is not good for you. So here you can see I get a good amount of follower in return. So here you can see my read in just 1466. It's a new profile. So this is not my personal profile, this is my branding profile. On my personal profile I get 501,000 reader on daily basis. So this I am not showing you my personal profile. So just follow this trick. So here I just write 7 articles, because this is my branding profile. I don't have a time to write articles. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you and you understand what I am trying to saying to you, and just try this trick. You are struggling on Medium and writing too much article and not getting a good amount of readers and followers. So I am already see too much person who are doing this method and getting a good amount of follower on their Medium profile. You can try this. So if you want how to grow Medium publication, then leave a comment. If you like this video, I will make a, if you ask me make a video on tutorial, I will make how to grow your own publication. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you found this tutorial helpful for you, like this video and leave a comment. If you have some question in your mind, I will reply you as soon as possible.